Hello students. Today we will see the explanation of the poem The Lost Dances of Cranes. This poem is written by Juliet Wilson. Firstly, we will see about the author. So you can see here Juliet Wilson was born in Manchester and studied in Edinburgh, where she still lives. She writes environmental poetry, and in this poem, she has written about the two cranes. She compares two cranes. One is natural crane and another is mechanical crane. So, we start this poem explanation. Your fields are empty now, only your ghost dance. While cranes of another kind dance cities into being. As you have seen, the topic of the poem is the lost dances of cranes. So you can easily understand the lost dances means dance from the past that is no longer available in the present. The first lines tells us that a speaker is addressing the cranes and telling your fields are empty now means where you played in past those wetlands or marshy lands are empty now. Cranes are not there. They are not doing their activities just like playing, eating, etc. Why they are not doing all these activities? Due to drastic reduction of wetlands because of human desire to expand land on which buildings can be built. Only your ghost dance there means cranes are not visible now there, only there are present in a ghost form. In a ghost form means they are only in our memories, means in form of ghost. Now you can see the second paragraph and third paragraph aggregately. All that remains of you are a fading crackle of your energy and some grainy video footage that people in the new cities will watch to marvel at the wonders of the world once held. Here, the poet is comparing construction cranes or mechanical cranes with the real cranes, means with birds. So, poet is telling that those mechanical cranes dance there means they carry building materials from here to there. For which reason they are doing all these activities? For constructing the buildings. Now, poet is telling that your crackle means your voice, your sound, that was full of energy, is now fading, and only some old or faded video footage are there for your memory, or we can say that today's people in modern cities watch videos of dancing cranes and appreciate nature without realizing that we have destroyed these graceful birds. And in the last lines, the poet is challenges to its readers to do something besides watching television about the losses of the natural world. We will have to do something, otherwise we will watch only the marvelous things of the world only in video footage, means whatever nature's nature has provided us, we should preserve them, we should save them. Clear? So, this was the explanation of the poem The Lost Dances of Cranes.